Unlocking the mystery. Hand over fist. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that might have puzzled you. Hand over fist. If you've ever heard someone say they're making money hand over fist, and wondered what their hands had to do with their financial success, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and add another expression to your English language arsenal. The phrase, hand over fist, is a colorful way to describe doing something very quickly and efficiently, often in the context of making money. When someone says they are making money hand over fist, they mean they are earning it very rapidly and in large amounts. Interestingly, this expression can also be used outside of financial contexts to describe any action done rapidly or in a successful manner. Tracing back to the nautical world, the phrase, hand over fist, originally described the way sailors climbed ropes or hauled in the anchor aboard ships. Imagine the motion of hands grasping a rope, one over the other, pulling with strength and speed. This vivid imagery has since evolved into the metaphor we use today, symbolizing swift, efficient progress or gain. Incorporating hand over fist into your everyday English can add flair and color to your conversations. Here are a few examples to guide you. Ever since they launched their new product, they've been making money hand over fist. She's been learning new languages hand over fist since she started using that new app. The company's been growing hand over fist over the past year, doubling its revenue. Remember, while it's most commonly associated with money and success, feel free to apply it creatively to any situation where rapid and significant progress is made. And there you have it. The phrase, hand over fist, demystified. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression, enriching your English vocabulary and confidence in using it. Whether you're discussing financial achievements or any rapid success, hand over fist is a vivid, dynamic phrase to express just that. Thank you for watching, and as always, we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. See you in the next video.